The next generation navigator, wireless Carplay navigator. No more troubles which come from the conventional navigators. Slow upgrade of offline map, hard to operate, cannot use phone during navigation. Fully compatible with smartphone, but way better experience than just using your phone. Simple plug-in, wired up, wherever you go, wireless Carplay navigator go with you. Connected with the latest Bluetooth technology, total cordless free, present you the total Carplay functions. Get directions, make calls, send and receive messages, and enjoy your favorite music. You can use whatever you can play with the Carplay features. Wireless Carplay Navigator is designed and built for outdoor, no matter if it is rain or water. It would not be stopped from perfectly functioning. Smooth and clear navigation, which the conventional navigator can never match. No need to upgrade the map. Oh yes, you can use Siri as well. Professional level outdoor display as high as 1000 nit, always crystal clear to watch. Our hardware is industry compliant standard. It works perfectly, even under 80 degrees centigrade or 176 degrees Fahrenheit and super dust resistant. Wireless Carplay Navigator Base Motor, your next generation navigator.